Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show the sunset eye makeup look. Here, first highlighting my brow bone. Next, I'm using the yellow color eyeshadow. Using the flat brush, I applied yellow color eyeshadow to the inner corner of my eyes. Next, I am using the orange color eyeshadow. I am applying the orange color eyeshadow on top of the yellow color eyeshadow to blend the colors together. Next, I am using the pink color shadow on the top of the orange color eyeshadow. Next, I applied the purple color eyeshadow to outer corner of my eyes using the small blending brush, blending the colors together. Next, I used the gel liner to line my liner. Next, using the black color eyeshadow, apply the outer corner of my eyes using the angular brush. I used coal kajal to waterline my eyes. To the inner corner, I applied the light yellow color shade to highlight my inner corners. Using the small brush, I applied orange color eyeshadow to the waterline to create a smoky look. Gently smudging with the pink color eyeshadow. To finish the look, I applied the mascara and eyelashes. Using small brush, I highlighted my brow bone. This is the final output we achieved. This is the beautiful sunset eye makeup look. If you like this look, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video.